South Korea's Kia Corporation is preparing to enter the European military vehicle market in a major way, positioning its light tactical vehicle, KLTV, for a $1.1 billion procurement program announced by the United Kingdom's Ministry of Defence. The UK plans to replace its aging Land Rover Defender-based fleet under a sweeping modernization effort, with 1,400 vehicles across 12 categories to be fielded between 2027 and 2033. The tender, scheduled for release on December 1, has drawn global attention from established players in the defense automotive sector. According to South Korean defense officials quoted by KLTV, the UK invited Kia and other manufacturers earlier this year to submit bids for the program. Kia is expected to participate with its KLTV, often referred to as the Korean Humvee, a South Korean military source told the broadcaster. The KLTV, officially designated K151, has already gained traction in international markets, with recent deliveries to Poland, Chile, Nigeria, Mali, and Turkmenistan. In 2023, Kia signed a $310 million deal to supply 400 KLTVs to Poland, signaling the company's growing footprint in Europe's defense sector. A Kia spokesperson told KLTV, at this time, nothing has been finalized. However, the company plans to showcase its KLTV at the DSEI 2025 International Defense Exhibition in London this September, in what industry analysts see as a strong indication of its intention to compete aggressively for the UK tender. The KLTV is a 4x4 light tactical vehicle designed for mobility and survivability in combat zones. It is widely compared to the US military's Humvee but has been praised for its lower price and improved performance in some areas. Armored variants of the KLTV reportedly cost about half as much as a fully equipped Humvee, making them attractive to militaries seeking cost-effective solutions. Kia's tactical vehicle features a reinforced frame derived from the company's Mojave SUV platform and is powered by a military-tuned engine that delivers 20% more horsepower and top speed than its American counterpart, according to company data. In addition to the KLTV, Kia is expanding its military vehicle lineup with products such as the Tasman pickup truck and a hydrogen-powered ATV based on Hyundai's Nexo fuel cell platform. The Tasman, designed for dual civilian and military applications, is expected to debut at upcoming international defense expos in Turkey, Poland, and the UK. While the competition for the UK contract is expected to be intense, with Land Rover, Jeep, and Volkswagen all reportedly considering bids, analysts believe Kia's proven track record and competitive pricing give it a strong chance of success. The global military vehicle market is projected to exceed $69 billion in 2025, growing to nearly $100 billion by the early 2030s.